Hello guys! Good morning! Another day na naman. So today guys, pupunta kami ngayon sa supermarket. So keep it watch you guys! So guys, nandito na kami sa supermarket. So, bili muna kami ng mga vegetables, green pepper. So, tingin-tingin muna kung ano ang mga dapat bilhin. Kasi wala na kami sa sa bahay. Kaunti na lang yung mga vegetables namin. So, hanap din kami pa pagkain para lunch namin. Hindi na kami magluto. Kasi late na eh. So, ito na yung mga pagkain guys. We're buying nuggets and chicken for lunch. And we buy salad also, partner. Yeah.
This one and this one, this one.
We buy butter. No, buy butter. That's butter. No, we have.
I want this one.
No, I mean the cheese. But we have there.
Yeah, but this one for cooking.
How much the egg?
Egg cheese, huh?
Walang katao-tao today guys kasi nga Monday. Maganda mag-grocery pag Monday kasi walang katao-tao.
Pork, huh?
Okay, we buy pork also. And we buy chicken also.
Like his specs, yeah?
Yeah.
Two.
Yeah.
What about two?
It's too much. It's too much.
About 60.
Yeah.
Yeah, and there's, I think there's some.
I want hot dog, the big hot dog. Hot dog! Oh, you'll buy peanut salsa.
What are we going? Oil.
Din kami ng
We'll buy the
Hot.
big size, huh?
it's too small.
This one's too small.
Yeah.
What are we buying?
Bibili kami ng pot. I think that one's better, but I want the big one.
Well, there's the big one.
Buy this pot. Daming mga damit, mga shoes. Pera lang wala. Pera lang wala. Naghanap pa yung hubby ko ng Vicks. Vicks. No mo?
I don't know.
No Vicks?
I don't know.
Just Axe.
I'm looking for big. The last.
Ganito ang South Africa. Brush. Will buy colored my hair. Brush. Guys, bibili na ako. Ako ang magkulay sa buhok ko. Try. So guys, ito na yung mga binili namin. Medyo marami-rami yung binili namin today. So, we will pay now. Tapos na kami. Finish na kami. We paid too much today. Just the only grocery.
No, because it was for your hair stuff. Okay, your hair stuff cost so much money. Okay? All 109 rand.
Jama.
Get some of this.
Thank you. Palabas na kami. Para naman makita nyo kung ano ang Somerset West.
You better to come on Monday.
Yeah, it's not too much. Yeah.
Have you come Saturday?
Saturday and Sunday, oh my God.
Too many people.
Yeah. Pauwi na kami, guys. Ayaw magpatulong tong hubby ko. Ang bait talaga. So, we are here now in the house. Okay? Ilagay ko muna to, guys, para makakain na. So, guys, ito na yung nabili namin. Ito, milk. Ito na. Ito nilagay namin yung mga stock. So, ito na yung fridge namin, guys. Yan. Ano lang. Medyo maliit lang yung fridge namin, guys. Maliit lang. Hindi naman kami mayaman dito. Simple lang buhay namin dito. Ayan. Pork at chicken at beef. Dito, fish dito, guys. So, guys, kakain na kami. Ito yung tira namin kahapon. So, ito yung binila namin ngayon. Ito. Busy pa yung husband ko. Hindi na niisod na mo. Sa sudlanan, guys, ang plato. Kay, wala man yung problema ni Humbana. Cowboy man siya, cowboy. Kain muna kami. So, we are finished now, guys. We are finished. Tapos, ipa-fried ko tong isda for dinner. Yamahan? Bite up. Hi! Not allowed. Bastos. Kot-kot lubot. Ganahan sa mga lubot. Kot-kot bisag way lubot. Bastos na bana. Bastos na bana. Huwag ito dyan na human. Human ukot-kot sa lubot. Nang hugas ko. Kot-kot. Yan naman. Buwagan man ni si Jack. Yan naman. Yan naman. Go. Go naman. Finish your work there. Yan lang. Mahal. Go. You're so naughty, you know? Yan naman. Yan naman. I'm washing the plate. Yan naman. Use the open there. It's naughty one, yeah? Galo. Sakdot nagbuang. Uy, di ko ka. Concentrate og hugas dili. Sakdot pa more. Giwagan man siya sa gisuot.
Such good buddy, yeah. Yeah, such good buddy.
Yan naman other it's open. Yan lang. Duang-duang ba ni si Jack? Tuwagan ng bana. Tugnaw na magudiri ah. Tugnaw na. Sige, hikam-hikam. Sige, og hikam-hikam. Giwagan. You feel horny. Giwagan siya. Yeah? Yung mahal? Okay? Wala na nagad kay hanggang na. Ado sige, kapika. Pumana lang yung trabaho. Kaiyuton. Yan, pugngan man. Suko siya. Okay, we will make ginger after that, okay? Yeah, that's why I changed my clothes.
Scotty, why did you change your clothes? Can you tell me why? Tell me why.
You know why?
Just because I'm a little bit sick, you know, doesn't mean to say I can't go.
Naughty husband niya. Yeah.
Man has to be naughty, man.
So
Now it's time to what?
so that's all.
No, it's not all. Only the
Ganito
start.
buhay namin
Only the
dito.
start. Now it's time to.
Ganito buhay namin, guys. Kahit simple lang, basta happy, it's okay.
I'm happy. I got a handful of bum. Yeah.
So, alam niyo na kung sino yung host the horny. So guys, that's all for today. Babush!